Ah, here we go. Misuse. Oh my. Here, Antrim level crossing. Quite Antrim. I'll just do it. Oh my god. Again. Bang. Bang, bang. Time now is, there it is, 13:46 on Tuesday, the 9th of March 2021. This is for, 13:47 now. This is for your 13:47, expected 48, but it's not. Northern Ireland Railway service from Great Victoria Street to Londonderry. There it is, 4:06. As some of you may have noticed, the Antrim sign there has changed colours. It used to be black and white, but now it's green and emerald colour. It's because there's a lot of works going on at the station. The place, the building on the left side of the station, it's all empty now. It's for sale. Yeah. I don't know what it used to be, because obviously I've never been on. So obviously I've never been on the station before, other than transport reasons. So yeah, there it is. Whoa, 4:06. Street there, Londonderry, and oh, horrible sign, horrible, and up they go. Thanks guys.